Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best home theater video projectors. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the video projectors in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best video projectors on the market right now. Coming in number 6, we've got the Optoma HD243X. The HD243X by Optoma is one of the most affordable home theater projectors with native Full HD resolution. Sure, there are some cheaper projectors that can reach prices as low as $300, but they offer dim colors, weak brightness, and maximum resolutions up to only 800 by 600 pixels. This one provides a high contrast ratio, a low input lag, which makes it great for gaming, and can deliver a screen size up to a whopping 300 inches. The projector displays 3D content, and it has a lamp that lasts for 15,000 hours. It's equipped with 2 HDMI ports, a built-in speaker, and a bundled remote control. In terms of overall value, you'll be hard-pressed to find a projector as bright and as colorful as this one for less. Coming in at number 5, BenQ TK850. The TK850 is one of BenQ's newest projectors, with more than 3,000 lumens of brightness. The projector is a great choice for daytime TV watchers. It even comes with a built-in sports mode, which enhances the video quality to make colors commonly found on sports fields, like greens and blues, pop more than they would using a traditional projector. The sports setting also adjusts the built-in speakers to make commentators' voices more prominent over the projector's fans. Speaking of speakers, its 10-watt chambered speakers deliver impressive audio quality in practically any environment. The projector offers a true 4K 3840 by 2160 pixel resolution and support for HDR to provide users with a crystal clear picture. Coming at number 4, Epson Home Cinema 2150. As you would expect, a projector works best in a dark room, but this one is a great option for those who plan to use a projector in an area with windows. It boasts 2500 lumens of brightness, and it won't suffer from the dreaded rainbow effect. It offers an impressive full 1080p resolution and built-in speakers, but it doesn't support 3D content. Regardless, it's a fine option with vivid colors that's great for watching movies, shows, gaming, or casting content from your smartphone. If you're on a stricter budget, consider opting for the Epson 2100, as it doesn't offer as much contrast as the 2150 and lacks supports for Mira, which lets you easily mirror your smartphone's display on the big screen. Number 3, Sony VPL HW4 5ES. The Sony VPL HW4 5ES is a solid premium option that can display 1080p content as well as 3D content. It has an excellent brightness and contrast ratio, a long-lasting lamp up to 6,000 hours, and a built-in fan that's incredibly quiet. Handy image calibration features are also on board. An editor at Wirecutter who tested their projector said that Sony offered better black levels than any other projectors he tested, priced below $1,500. He also praised it for its accurate color and low input lag. Because of the latter, it's a fine choice for gamers who want to play on the biggest screen possible. Sony backs a projector with a robust 3-year warranty. For gamers on a limited budget, we recommend the much cheaper BenQ TK850, which is also a full HD projector. It offers a light output of 3500 lumens and has a low input lag. but is $1,000 cheaper than the Sony. Coming at number 2, Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB. It's a hard pill to swallow, but 4K projectors do not come cheap. Sony's mid-range 4K model came out almost 2 years ago, but it is still priced around $5,000. And highly rated DLA NX5 projector costs $6,000. This projector from Epson costs under $3,000, but still can take advantage of vibrant and detailed 4K HDR content. To be perfectly transparent, this projector isn't a true 4K projector. It uses a technique called pixel shifting to replicate a full 4K picture. Evan Powell, an editor at Projector Central, compared several native 4K projectors against ones that use pixel shifting, like the Epson. And he said that in respect to detail definition itself, there is very little, if any, discernible differences between the two pictures, even when viewed up close. We think that customers would rather save a couple grand than splurge for a true 4K projector that costs $5,000 plus. The 5050 UB received high marks from Home Theater Review for its high 2600 lumens of brightness and its impressive contrast and its easy setup. The projector delivers a clear image, and it's on par with projectors that cost twice as much. If you want a high-end projector without a high price, you can't go wrong with a 5050 UB. Number 1. BenQ HT 2050A. After comparing tons of home theater projectors online, we think the $700 BenQ HT 2050A hits that sweet spot in finding a strong balance between price and performance without breaking the bank. The projector delivers full HD content at a reasonable price. Wirecutter named the model a top pick for its excellent contrast ratio, its realistic-looking picture quality, and its superb brightness. It offers an easy setup, and it has 3D support, 2 HDMI ports, and lets you easily connect your smartphones to it wirelessly. The HT 2050A can display images with a diagonal of up to 100 inches by being only 8 feet away from the screen. It's a fine option with little fan noise, dark black shades, and impressive colors. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best video projectors. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite one? And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.